Welcome to our Ultimate Woodworking Tools Guide for 2024. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned pro, we've got the latest must-have tools for your next project. These tools are designed to make your woodworking faster, more precise, and a whole lot more fun. Let's dive in. Number 1. The custom branding iron lets you personalize your projects with unique designs, such as letters, numbers, logos, and more. This versatile tool can be used on wood, leather, food, and even coconuts, making it perfect for DIY crafts, including leatherwork and wood projects. It's easy to use. Heat the branding iron for 2 to 3 minutes over an open flame to apply your design. If you opt for the electrically heated version, adjust the temperature and wait for it to heat up. This branding iron offers endless creative possibilities for your personal and professional projects. Number 2. The Tungsten Carbide burr set includes 10 pieces with a 1/8-inch shank, compatible with a range of rotary tools like Dremel, Milwaukee, DeWalt, and Makita. These burrs are ideal for metal deburring, finishing, shaping, engraving, and drilling. They can be used for tasks like removing welds, enlarging holes, surface cleaning, and smoothing castings. Whether working on wood or metal, these burrs offer precise control and efficiency. The double-cut design ensures faster material removal while leaving a smooth finish, making it a versatile set for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 3. The Ripp T1 Tomahawk digital tape measure is a highly precise tool, accurate to within 1/32 inch, 0.5 millimeters, making it ideal for professional use. With a 25-foot replaceable blade, it ensures long-lasting durability. Its side-mounted e-paper display saves up to 500 measurements, allowing easy viewing, organizing, and deleting, ensuring you never forget an important figure. The built-in green laser extends your measurement, aiding in precise alignment for marking and leveling. Advanced functions include internal and relative measurements, center finding, and quick unit switching between inches, feet, millimeters, and centimeters. This versatility makes it useful across a wide range of projects. Additionally, it connects seamlessly with the Aark job site app, enabling wireless sharing of cut lists, annotations, and calculations with others on the job site, boosting productivity and collaboration. The T1 combines accuracy, innovation, and digital integration, making it an essential tool for contractors and woodworkers alike. Number 4. The Aark CounterSync drill bit set is a comprehensive 15-piece kit designed to handle all your woodworking needs. It includes 7 tapered drill bits ranging from number 4 to number 12, 2 wood plug cutters, 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch, depth stop rings, Phillips screwdriver bits, an Allen key, and an extension bit shaft. Made from industrial-grade high-speed steel with a nitride-treated surface, these bits offer double the lifespan compared to standard carbon steel bits. The adjustable depth stop collars provide precision control for accurate countersinking, ensuring a professional finish. The sharp cutters and 82-degree counterbore angle allow for smooth, efficient drilling, while the tapered pilot bits create fast, clean pilot holes for a snug screw fit. Compatible with hand drills, electric drills, and bench drills, this versatile set is perfect for woodworking projects such as cabinetry and furniture making. For best results, use the wood plug cutters with a bench drill. Number 5. The Milescraft 1622 Sand-It multi-surface sanding block is a versatile 4-in-1 tool designed for sanding various surfaces. It features 4 profiles: flat, convex, concave, and a tight edge, allowing you to tackle a range of sanding tasks with one tool. Its quick-snap sandpaper lock makes it easy to switch between coarse and fine grits in seconds. Compatible with any 1/4 sheet of sandpaper, the block works with all grit levels, making it perfect for a variety of projects. The set also includes 150 grit sandpaper, ensuring you can start working right away. Number 6. The labor-saving handle is a versatile 12-inch construction jack designed for precise lifting, height adjustment, and positioning tasks. With a load capacity of up to 450 pounds when used together, These tools can raise objects by 6.69 inches through spring-based handle adjustment. Built with an all-steel solid base and a thickened double-clip bottom plate, they ensure durability and stable performance. The ergonomic handle allows for controlled lifting and easy lowering by pressing the plate. These jacks are perfect for installing doors, windows, cabinets, floors, and more, making them highly useful in various construction tasks. Compact and lightweight, they're easy to carry, and the design doubles as a woodworking clamp, allowing for secure clamping of multiple boards for gluing or sanding. This makes them an essential tool for both construction and woodworking projects. Number 7. The TOUS Precision Pocket Ruler is a versatile 6-inch aluminum ruler set designed for various woodworking measurements. It functions as a T-square, enabling vertical measuring with ease, and includes a slide stop that can be inserted into a cutout blade for stable, upright use. The ruler also doubles as a protractor, allowing users to measure and mark angles from 0 to 180 degrees with precise laser-engraved markings that won't fade. Made from lightweight, wear-resistant aluminum alloy, it's rust-proof and durable. Its compact size makes it portable, ideal for craftsmen, woodworkers, and contractors. Number 8. Woodpecker's step gauges are designed to simplify the process of setting tool positions in your workshop. The RTS step gauge accurately sets the height of router bits and saw blades, while the DP step gauge measures the distance between a drill bit and the drill press table. Instead of aligning to a tiny line on a scale, the tool edge makes contact with a precisely machined physical step, eliminating parallax error and ensuring precise measurements. Available in versions that read in 16 THS or 32 NDS of an inch, the gauges stand independently, allowing you to use both hands for adjustments. Number 9. The Woodpecker's Pocket Compass is a compact, easy-to-use tool that makes drawing precise circles simpler than with a traditional compass. It can draw circles ranging from 1 inch to 7 inches, all while being small enough to fit in your pocket, comparable in size to a butane lighter. It's not only practical but also fun to use, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. The Pocket Compass XL offers a larger size for even more versatility in your projects. Number 10. The Makita Exobi 03Z 18V LXD brushless cordless 1/3 sheet finishing sander offers efficient sanding with 3 speed settings: 4,000, 8,000, 12,000 OPM, for faster material removal. Its one-touch electronic speed control allows for easy adjustments between fast, medium, and low settings. The 1/16-inch orbit action ensures quicker sanding while delivering a smooth, swirl-free finish. The motor and battery are strategically positioned to reduce fluttering, helping achieve an even finish. Designed for user comfort, its ergonomic body and grip make it easy to handle, ensuring greater operator ease during prolonged use. Number 11. The Makita XVJ05Z 18V LXD brushless cordless barrel grip jigsaw features a compact barrel grip design for enhanced control and precise cuts. Powered by a Makita-built brushless motor, it delivers variable speeds ranging from 800 to 3,000 strokes per minute, ensuring efficient and fast cutting. It can cut up to 135 feet of 1-inch MDF on a single charge with a 5.0 Ah battery. The tool includes a variable 5-speed control dial to match the cutting speed to different applications. With 3 orbital settings and a straight cutting option, it's versatile for various materials. Number 12. The door lock installation jig is an essential tool for both trade professionals and DIY enthusiasts, making it ideal for locksmiths and carpenters. It simplifies the installation of door latches and deadbolts on wooden or metal doors. The jig accommodates 1.5-inch or 2 1/8-inch crossbores and 2 3/8-inch or 2 3/4-inch backsets, allowing for versatile door setups. It features a deadbolt installation function with 1/8-inch pilot holes positioned for precise drilling, compatible with various lock brands like Schlage and Marks. The jig is designed for easy use on both wooden and metal doors, with built-in tabs for quick adjustment between different backset sizes. It supports door thicknesses from 1.25 inch to 2 3/4 inch, making it suitable for a wide range of doors and ensuring a seamless installation process. Number 13. The Woodrive Apron Plane is a compact and versatile tool, perfect for precision work in woodworking. Measuring just 4 inches long and weighing 10 ounces, it's lightweight and small enough to fit into your apron pocket, making it easy to carry and use with one hand. The plane features a 20 degrees bed angle, ideal for making light, accurate cuts to trim and smooth both wood and plastic. Its robust construction includes a 304 stainless steel body and lever cap, ensuring long-lasting durability. The plane is equipped with easy-adjust brass knobs, a sharp D2 carbon steel blade, and inset finger grips for comfortable handling. This well-designed apron plane is an essential addition to any shop, offering reliability and precision for finishing tasks. Number 14. The Powertech 80023 Universal 5-in-1 measuring gauge is an essential tool for woodworking precision. This versatile device helps adjust router bits, dado saw blade settings, and measure mortises and tenons. It simplifies creating repeatable settings with high accuracy. The gauge offers 3 methods for setting router bit depths, using side preset depth markings, center preset depth markings, or a dual graduated scale. It features a laser-engraved, easy-to-read scale with both metric and imperial graduations, readable to 1/32 inch or 0.5 millimeters. This multifunctional tool is designed for quick adjustments and precise measurements on table saws and router tables, making it a valuable addition to any woodworking setup. Number 15. The Table Saw Thin Rip Jig Guide is designed for cutting repetitive narrow strips with safety and speed in mind. It fits 3/4 inch by 3/8 inch T-slots and is compatible with band saws, table saws, and routers. Simply slide the guide into the T-track miter slot of your table saw and lock it in front of the saw blade to effortlessly make consistent cuts of thin strips. The thin ripping guide only fits 3/8 inch by 3/4 inch T-slot and is compatible with most standard band saws, table saws, and routers, offering versatility in your workshop. It features a one-way double roller bearing to ensure the workpiece moves forward smoothly, eliminating the risk of deflection and making safe and rapid repetitive cutting of narrow strips with ease while maintaining consistent thickness. The design allows for adjustable inward and outward movement and can be firmly locked without shaking left and right, guaranteeing uniform thin strip cuts and allowing for cutting strips as thin as 1 millimeter. The jig is made of high-quality anodized aluminum with etched markings, ensuring reliability and longevity in your woodworking projects.